Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, GH Ever. In today's session, I'm going to say about for loop and while loop in Python. So, this I'll be taking a new file and I'll create a program which taking of n number of names. How to get n number of names. So now, for first, I'm taking a variable and I'm taking input from the user. Wait, input of in of input of anchor many names do you have. And now I'm going to write for I in range of a. Now I'm going to write j equals to n wait, 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 input of let be named. I'm going to print it out of print j. And today I'll be explaining about how to make a list. So after this, I'll be saying about that. So I'm running the program. So I'm giving true. So first I'm giving Ravi, and then I'm giving Ravi and Venu. So I have given the Ravi and Venu and we printed. So now I'm going to explain about the list form. So and there is an many functions which we can use in list and a string. So I'll be explaining about that in the next session. So for now I'll be explaining about the list. So I equals to for list we use square brackets, main important. So now in this I'll be I have a system of index. I'll be giving in the next session about that introduction. So I'm giving here 1 and 4. Okay, there. And then I'm meeting I. So this is a form of list. When I print I will 1 to print 2. So this is known as index form where uh, 1 will be 0 and 2 will be 1. 3 like from counting from the right side we start from 0, but counting from the right side we start from -1, -2, -3. Counting from the left side we will be counting as 0, 1, 2, 3. So now I'm doing here as I of -1. The answer is 4 obviously. So now with list we are going to take this input and then at last we are going to print uh, the output. Okay, so and now I'm going to assign, so I equals to list, and then so here I'm taking the input, right? So now I'm going to append it. I dot app append of j. Yes, append. After appending, directly read as print of I. So it will display all the numbers. So if not you want to okay, wait, I'll just run this. So I have three numbers here. Let me take. So king, there is a no head one. So we already assigned the I. So I'm taking this as H. So H, H. And then I'm running the program. So to enter the name, enter the king. In second name, I'm writing Ravi. So it is printing Ravi and then king. So this is about the list. So we can add anything to list. So for example, I'm taking, if I here itself, I'm taking, yeah, already we assigned H. So H dot append of 2. I'm taking 2, right? So it has appended. Now I'm printing H again. So it came 2. But so I'm typing T type of H. That I'm taking last so -1. So I'm getting as it as int. So when I take king, like king or Ravi like names, so it will show me as a string. So shall I try type of H, so I'm typing 0. Next topic, I'll explain you about indexing, so no worries. Okay, and now see when we come back to here, this is for loop. So and for loop, I'll be creating a brief description. So for I in range, so we can use range like start value, comma end value, comma step value 2. So this is, and by ending it should be colon, or you can use for I in anything like if I keep some name king. So first step it will be taking k and next I and then n and then g. So it will be going like that. So in this case, in the second case, for I in king, it will be like string character, and for the first thing, it will be like range like integer type. So you can easily find out which way is easy, or in different logic types in different programs. In some cases, you use a first step, and in some cases, you use second step. And also, now I'll be explaining about the while loop. So, in my loop, there is no need to use range. So, while I is greater than A. So, I'm taking this. And now, here, after this, I'm just incrementing it. So, A plus equals to 1, just incrementing. So it will increase. If I produce 2, it will just increase 2 plus 1 equals to 3. If you want a brief description about increment, I'll just explain you. So here I'm taking a equals to 2, a equals to 2, and then now I'm writing a plus plus. Also, it is but in C program it will be there. Okay, fine. Now I'm taking a plus equals to 1, and then I'm printing a. It is 3. So these are just shortcuts. So a minus equals to 1. I'm printing a and then it's 2. So in while loop, these increments are useful. So please be aware of it. And also when it comes to while loop, see I'm just incrementing here, and now I'm going to execute the program. I'm taking 2. Wait a minute. So EMI is not defined. Please make okay, wait a minute. So uh I is not defined, right? So a I'm taking this as n, okay, and I'm assigning here n equals to 0. Sorry for the inconvenience, sorry. So I'm going to run the program again. Wait a minute. And here I'm going to change this as n. Okay. Now I'm going to run the program. So I'm typing 2 under the first name. Same thing I'm typing King Ravi. See, the same thing it happened, but instead of for loop, I used while loop. In while loop, we can take infinite times, but there is no need for the somewhere we have to keep a break, give break for it. So I'm just explaining about this. So thank you for the watching video, and please subscribe and share to everyone, to your friends who needs code, learning code for the first year or second year or the final year for the exam semesters. Please subscribe and share, like. Thank you for the watching video.